So in terms of the second website to use to get a grade 9 in GCSE Maths is CORBETTMATHS. And when it comes to CORBETTMATHS, I've also done a video on this, on how to use CORBETTMATHS to get a grade 9 in GCSE Maths. But it's one of the most important websites that came in clutch for me, because first of all, the videos on the website is very useful. When it comes to the videos, they're tailored towards a particular topic, to a particular lesson, to a particular targets for you specifically. The videos are there on purpose, and it's very useful because you watch a video, they can take those textbook exercises. You don't have to go and search in a textbook to find the exercises particular to the video, but when you watch a video, the textbook exercises are literally based off that video, so you have an opportunity to practice that knowledge. Because at the end of the day, you can watch this video, you can gain knowledge, but how would you know you have gained the knowledge? That's why you do a test. That's the reason why there are exams, to test your knowledge. So textbook exercises are there to tailor towards the video to test your knowledge. Did you actually learn what was in the video? So that's why textbook exercises are there. I highly recommend them. It's a good textbook exercise. It's as if you have to do like hundreds of questions. It's good questions, good grade differences in terms of each question, and it's very efficient. And that's the most important things. Talking back to about secret mentality, efficiency, something that is very important. And in terms of the next thing, it's the exam style practice questions. So you don't even find exam past papers to find the exam style questions. When I had to use CORBETTMATHS to get a grade 9 GCSE in maths, CORBETTMATHS is something that I tell you guys to use. And the funny thing is, I tell you to use CORBETTMATHS after you have used Seneca. So it's like a little series that is going on, from how to use Seneca to how to use CORBETTMATHS to get a grade 9 in GCSE Maths. So watch those videos, learn what I've been able to do, and then apply it to yourself. Because what I've done wasn't no vigorous learning exercise. I didn't do something that was very difficult for me to do. I played it very smart. I played it very thoughtfully, and I've tutored students to do the same, and they've been able to receive grade 9 as well. Because I've made the process of getting a grade 9 in GCSE Maths or any other subject not a difficult thing, not a difficult task. So listen to your advice, take it on, and make the most out of it. And in terms of the final thing, it's those 5 a day 9-to-1 GCSE worksheets. These were a very good lifesaver for me when it comes to getting a grade 9 in GCSE Maths. I was one of those students that was pretty lazy. I couldn't be asked to do textbook exercises. I couldn't be asked to do exam style practice questions. I couldn't be asked to do this, couldn't be asked to do that. But when these 5 a day 9-to-1 GCSE worksheets came, they were very useful, because that's when it gave me that motivation. Because it's little a day that is very important. And if you have these 5 a day 9-to-1 GCSE worksheets, it's just 5 questions a day, and every day if you do these 5 questions, you'll know which question you got wrong, and then it makes life a lot easier for me, because I was able to go through the questions that I got wrong, and then I used to focus on that. Because for me, I really love the testing segment. I don't really like the learning segment. I think that is similar to you guys as well. After tutoring students, I realized that this is a real common theme. A lot of students don't want to spend the time revising, sitting down, learning. That's not something that everyone wants to do. Rather, they want to actually do the work, test themselves. That's why when you do exams, everyone's actually pretty focused, pretty determined to do good in the exam. Everyone likes to be tested, and that's something that we saw, something that I learnt, and something that I applied. So I like getting tested. So I tested myself every day for the 5 a day 9-to-1 GCSE worksheets. There are 5 different questions and 5 different topics. Questions I get wrong, I go and learn the topics. This 5 a day 9-to-1 GCSE worksheets was a real important thing for me. I would say you make the most out of these 9-to-1 GCSE worksheets, because it's only 5 questions a day. Sometimes I'm telling you to do hundreds of questions. The question that you get wrong in the 5 a day 9-to-1 worksheets, there is a mark scheme with that. You check out what you got wrong, but you should know what topic it is, and then use that topic to watch the videos for that topic from CORBETTMATHS. Then you can do the textbook exercises and see if you've been able to now answer those sorts of similar questions that you failed to answer in the 5 a day 9-to-1 GCSE worksheet. Can you do it now with the textbook exercises? If you can do it with that, then test yourself for the exam style practice questions. I think it's only 5 big questions or 10 big questions. Make the most use of it. And CORBETTMATHS is why it's one of the best brilliant websites that I believe is good to get a grade 9 in GCSE Maths. And Seneca Learning, CORBETTMATHS, they go hand in hand with each other. That's why I've done those videos first on my channel, because these are the ones that I mostly used towards getting that grade 9 in GCSE Maths. So pretty much very close to getting full marks in each of my 3 papers.